What is a pandemic? It's a word that carries a lot of weight and instills a good deal of fear in many. As the novel coronavirus continues to spread around the World Health Organization has yet to classify COVID-19 as a pandemic. But let's take a look at just what exactly a pandemic really is. A pandemic is when a disease spreads to multiple countries and continents. The disease has to be infectious, hence why something like cancer isn't considered one. The word is derived from the Greek words pan, meaning all, and demos, meaning people. A major reason why COVID-19 hasn't been declared a pandemic is because cases can still be traced to Wuhan province in China. If cases start to appear without a direct link to the source, then its classification may change. And that will dictate how countries treat the virus. During pandemics, the WHO requires governments to mobilize their entire health system, distributing personal protective equipment and antivirals and other medical supplies in accordance with national plans. That can be a costly but life-saving exercise. History is filled with harrowing tales of pandemics. From the Black Plague in 14th century Europe, which killed as many as 200 million people, to HIV/AIDS, which has killed an estimated 36 million people around the world. One of the most deadly pandemics was the 1918 influenza, sometimes referred to as the Spanish flu. Between January 1918 and December 1920, it infected more than 500 million people and killed 50 million people. However, not all pandemics are of a similar deadly scale. In 2009, the WHO declared the new H1N1 a pandemic. While statistics are hard to come by, the U.S. Center for Disease Control, the CDC, estimates that more than 284,000 people died from the swine flu. Now that's a significant number, but it's considerably less than die from the average flu. As the world becomes increasingly connected, with people able to travel around the globe in a matter of hours thanks to air travel, the prevention of pandemics will become more difficult. At the same time, there's better communication between countries, allowing for better preventative measures to be put in place.